Hello and welcome to this video. If you work with composite material in Abaqus, whether you are a graduate student, researcher, university instructor, or professional engineer, you already know that finding high quality learning resources can be extremely challenging. Many tutorials only demonstrate a single example or focus on one specific material. Others skip important modeling details, making it difficult to apply the technicals to your own research or engineering project. That's exactly why we created the Abaqus Composite Material Master Package here. This package is one of the most comprehensive collection of the composite material simulation available, bringing together 53 advanced workshops that cover a remarkable variety of engineering applications, composite materials, and numerical technicals. Rather than teaching isolated example, every workshop is built around a realistic engineering problem. You learn not only how to build the model in Abacus, but also why each modeling decision is made and how different material behavior under complex loading conditions. One of the biggest strengths of this package is the incredible diversity of composite materials. Uh, you'll work with carbon fiber reinforced polymer or CFRP, which is widely used in aerospace structure, bridge, reinforced concrete strengthening, and pressure vessel, protective structure, and so on. You'll also learn how to model glass fiber reinforced polymer or GFRP in applications such as concrete beam, slabs, tunnel, timber connection, and sandwich structure. The package also covers basalt fiber reinforced polymer or BFRP. Uh, it is so popular material because of its excellent corrosion resistant durability and environmental performance. You'll explore aramid fiber reinforced polymer or AFRP, which offer exceptional impact and ballistic resistance for protective engineering application. In addition, we included advanced workshop on Kevlar, glare fiber metal laminates, ceramic armor, and ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene or UHMWPE, which are among the most important material used in the modern ballistic protection system. But we didn't stop here. Uh, as sustainable engineering continues to grow, we've also included numerous workshops on green composite materials, including jute fiber composites, bamboo fiber composite, banana fiber composite, and several hybrid natural fiber systems. Uh, these materials are becoming increasingly important in civil engineering, automotive application, and environmentally friendly structure design. Another unique aspect of the package is wide range of engineering problem it addresses. You'll learn how to simulate high velocity projectile impact, low velocity impacts, ballistic penetration, air blast loading, internal explosion, subsurface explosion, and protective armor systems. The package also covers structural strengthening technical for reinforced concrete beam, slabs, column, bridges, uh, tunnels, pipeline, composite tank, steel concrete composite member, and many other engineering applications. If your research involves dynamic analysis, you'll find the detailed workshop on seismic loading, cyclic loading, dynamic bending, and fire behavior and durability assessments. Each tutorial demonstrates professional Abacus workflow that can adapt adapted to your own engineering project. From the numerical modeling perspective, this package goes far beyond basic finite element analysis. You learn advanced Abacus techniques, including Abacus explicit dynamic analysis, sophisticated contact definition, progressive damage modeling, composite life, cohesive interface, adhesive bounding, erosion technical, and advanced material failure criteria. The workshop also introduced specialized numerical methods such as CLSPH convex method for the blast loading. Because these theories are based on the practical engineering problems, you'll gain experience that directly apply to the academic research, industrial design, projects, and engineering developments. Whether you're preparing a journal, a publication, uh, writing a master thesis, completing a PhD project, or solving industrial engineering challenges, the skill you'll develop from these workshops can significantly reduce your modeling time and improve the quality of your simulation. Another important advantage is that the workshops cover multiple engineering disciplines. A civil engineer can learn advanced structural strengthening method using FRP systems. Mechanical engineering can study composite manufacturing, impact mechanism, and structural performance. Uh, Aerospace engineering can explore lightweight composite and structural sandwich panel. Defense research can investigate ballistic protection and armament system. Researchers working in sustainable material will also benefit from the natural fiber composite application included throughout the package. In total, the package contains more than 53 exactly, carefully developed workshop covering composite material that are rarely found together in a single education resources. Instead of purchasing separate tutorial for CFRP, GFRP, BFRP, AFRP, green composite, banana composite, and other impact simulation, or many other subjects, you'll have access to a complete learning library that continues to serve as a valuable reference long after you've completed the training. Our goal at Abaqus FEM has always been to create educational content that goes beyond software comments. Each workshop include a CAE file, input file, codes, step-by-step tutorial video, reference paper, and the payment method we included here. The package price is totally 184 euros. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and cryptocurrencies for the payment. Before payment, contact us through this email to tell you more about the purchasing process, the content of the package, or any questions that you have. For now, thank you for your attention.